6 plants to balance your hormone levels. Low levels of energy, anxiety, and bloating are some of the common symptoms of hormone imbalance. Hormones play a significant role in the function of the systems within your body. In fact, they control your digestion, tissue function, metabolism, mood, movement, stress, growth, respiration, and reproduction. When something disrupts the hormone balance, you will experience changes in your health and body. The most typical causes and risk factors include medical history, stress, poor diet, genetics, and environmental pollutants. Other symptoms of hormonal imbalance: fatigue, baldness, weight gain, pores and skin issues, such as acne, sleep problems, irregular intervals, changes in mood and depressive disorders, headaches, lack of libido, evening sweats, memory space fog, fluffy eyes, delicate nails as well as hair, insufficient energy, within appetite. When it comes to hormones imbalance, the traditional treatment includes contraception pills, insulin injections, artificial hormone alternative therapies, and thyroid gland medications. Fortunately, using the following natural herbs can help stabilize your bodily hormones in a natural way. Top natural herbs for dealing with hormonal issues. 1. Maca. This plant has been used by Peruvians for hormonal balance, endurance, male fertility, and loss of libido. This herb works as adaptogenic agent. It adapts to your body and balances your hormones according to your requirements. If your body produces too much of a hormone, this herb will reduce the production, and vice versa. In fact, it manages their levels, thus regulating bodily hormones. It also nourishes and stimulates the 2 master glands that regulate the other glands in your body. They are hypothalamus and pituitary gland. In this way, maca can balance all other hormone-producing glands. Moreover, it improves libido and endurance in men. It is also believed that acts as a natural Viagra. 2. Red raspberry. The leaves of this herb can be used to prepare a nutrient-dense tea rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C. Red raspberry has potent uterine strengthening properties. It can also reduce heavy blood flow, symptoms of a painful period, increase male and female fertility, and prevent miscarriage and hemorrhage. It is very beneficial for reducing pain during and after labor, nausea linked to pregnancy, and stimulating the production of breast milk. 3. Tara tree fruit, Vitex. For many years, Vitex has been used for treating hormone imbalance, endometriosis, menopausal symptoms, infertility, and preventing miscarriage in the first trimester. Many women use it to regulate their period. This herb regulates the pituitary gland, thus controlling the hormones. As we said before, this gland is one of the most important glands in the body. By regulating this gland, you will be able to regulate the other glands in your body. 4. Dairy thistle. This herb acts as a liver detox agent, and a healthy liver is of utmost importance for balancing your hormone levels. Due to the accumulated harmful toxins, many women experience an excess of female hormone and insufficient progesterone. Our liver has a responsibility to eliminate many harmful toxins, like fungi, chemical compounds, and weighty metals out of our body. So, it is very important to maintain the proper health of your liver. 5. Oat straw. This herb has the ability to calm your body and the CNS, improve digestion, strengthen the nerves, relieve the belly, and balance the hormone-producing buccals. Due to its rich content of magnesium and silica, it can facilitate the bone system. This herb also enhances the skin, nails, facilitates the heart wellness, and reduces cholesterol. You can mix this green tea with other herbs or take it on its own. 6. Ashwagandha. This herb is also a natural adaptogen. It helps resolve thyroid and adrenal hormone imbalances. It reduces stress levels and treats hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism, as well as Graves' disease and Hashimoto. It also treats depression, anxiety, and improves mood. It is very important to consume enough omega-3s, reduce your stress, have an anti-inflammatory diet, get proper sleep, exercise regularly and use these herbs.